Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down answer relevance, an essential RAG concept. So, what is answer relevance? Answer relevance measures whether the generated answer actually addresses the question asked. This is one of the core ideas in RAG that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about answer relevance. Point 1. Compares question and answer for topical alignment. Point 2. Automated via LLM judge or embedding similarity. Point 3. Part of RAG's triad, context relevance plus faithfulness plus answer relevance. Point 4. Catches off-topic or evasive responses. Point 5. Improves with strong instruction following. And that is answer relevance explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new RAG concept every single day. See you tomorrow.